disconnect the light bulb. There's a little tab right here. Just pull up on the tab and slide the connector out. Just put that aside. Now the bracket goes up and around on the bumper. There's 2 bolts that you can access from up here. You kind of have to do this blind a little bit. So take a 10mm ratchet wrench or a 10mm socket and just try to reach over and take those 2 bolts out. All right, so pull that bolt out and then do the same for the other one. All right, I got that other one out as well. And just grab the fog light. Just want to slide it over a little bit. And slide it down. With the new fog light, you're going to want to replace the bulb. Slide the bulb to the left and then slide it out, just like that. And this bulb you're going to put in an H10 or 9145. To install the bulb, just line the tabs up, push down and twist to the right. Now just slide the fog light into position the same way it came out. There we go. And try to get those bolts lined up. Again, you're just gonna have to feel for it. Not much you can see. And tighten them down. And snug it up. Now take the wiring harness and connect it. You can make adjustments right there underneath. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver.